Hello children, this is 8th standard maths, chapter 6, factorization. So, we have solved exercise 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. This is the last exercise of this chapter, factorization, that is exercise 6.4. So, in exercise 6.4, we have the first question. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So, there are some of the mathematical statements given. So, if we find the error in the mathematical statement, we have to correct those error. If it is correct, then it is a correct mathematical statement. Now, let us look into the first problem in which 4 into x minus y. We know that the bracket represents the multiplication. So, the equal to 4x minus 5 is given mathematical statement. Now, let us check whether this mathematical statement is having error or it is correct. See here, 4. This 4 should be multiplied to x as well as to 5. But in the answer, 4 into x, it is 4x, it is correct. Minus is there. But 4 into 5, we know that 4 5s are 20. So, in answer, it is minus 5. Therefore, children, it is not correct. So, that particular problem is having the error in mathematical statement. Therefore, the correct statement is 4 into x, it is 4x minus 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Therefore, the correct answer is 4x minus 20. Look into the second question. We have x into 3x plus 2 equal to 3x square plus 2. Now, let us check whether this is correct or wrong. X should be multiplied to 3x as well as to 2. So, in the answer, 3x into 3x. Okay, so 3x into x, it is x square. So, 3x square is correct. Now, x should be multiplied to 2. Therefore, it becomes 2x. But in the answer, only 2 is given. So, children, this is also having the error in the mathematical statement. Therefore, the correct statement is x into 3x or 3x into x, it is 3x square plus 2 into x or x into 2, it is 2x. Therefore, the correct statement is 3x square plus 2x. Look into the third question in which we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. See, you can add two terms when you have the same variables. For example, if would have been the problem 2x plus 3x, we can add and we will get the answer as 5x. But you cannot add the two terms when it have different variables. So in this problem, we have 2x and 2x plus 3y in which the two terms contain different variables. In such cases, we can't add the two terms. So the answer will be 2x plus 3y only. It is not equal to 5xy. Therefore, this particular statement is also having the error. So the correct statement is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y. Therefore, you can add or subtract the two or more terms when you have the same variables. So if it is x, then another term also must contain x. If the one term is y, then another term should also be y. If you have the different variables, like example 2x plus 3y, then we can't add or subtract. The answer will be 2x plus 3y only. Look into the fourth problem in which we have x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. So I told we can add two or more terms when we have the same variables. When considering this problem, all the three terms contain x. So we can add three terms. But when you add three terms, the given mathematical statement is equal to 5x. But this is having the error because see in this problem, look at the coefficients of x. Coefficients means numbers. So in this x, The coefficient is 1. When you do not have any number, it is considered as 1. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 2, it is 5. So 5 plus 1, it is 6x. It is not equal to 5x. Therefore, this is also having error in the mathematical statement. So the correct answer is x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 5 plus 1, it is 6. So 6x. Therefore, we can add 2 or more terms when we have the same variable. So in this problem, we have the same variable in 3 terms, that is equal to x. So we can perform the addition and the correct statement will be x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x is the correct mathematical statement. Now look into the fifth problem. We have 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y equal to 0. We are having addition and subtraction combination together in the given mathematical statement, and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So 4 terms also contain the same variable, that is equal to y. So we can perform the required operation in this problem. So let us check whether this 0 is correct mathematical statement or it is having the error. Now 5y plus 2y, so we can add. So what we do is, you have 4 terms. So let us group 2 terms in one group. So, therefore, 5y plus 2y, it will be equal to 6y. Then, you have plus y and minus 7y. So, you have the different signs. When you have the different signs, you have to perform the subtraction. So, 7 minus 7 plus 1. The coefficient of y is 1. So while performing the subtraction, because we have the different signs, it will be equal to 6. So 6y and sign of the bigger number is minus. So plus y minus 7y will be equal to minus 6y. That will be equal to, so children, 5y plus 2y, it will be equal to 7y. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, it is 7y. Then plus y minus 7y. When you simplify in this way, you will get minus 6y. So, plus 7y minus 6y. Different signs. When you have minus and positive sign, you need to subtract. So, 7 minus 6. The answer will be equal to y, and the sign of the bigger number is having the positive sign. So the final answer will be equal to y. Therefore, 5y plus 2y will be equal to 7y plus y minus 7y, it will be equal to minus 6y. Since we have grouped these 4 terms into 2 groups such that the 2 groups consist 2 terms. And when we perform the operations, we will get 7y minus 6y. The answer will be equal to y. That is not equal to 0. So this is the error, and correct mathematical statement is this one. 7y minus 6y equal to y. So this is the answer for the fifth problem. The correct statement is 7y minus 6y equal to y is the answer. Consider the sixth problem, in which 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x square. This is definitely an error. The two terms have the same variable x. Therefore, we can add 3x plus 2x will be equal to 5x, and it is not equal to 5x square. 5x square you will get when it is having the multiplication. But in the addition or subtraction, when we perform 3x plus 2x, the answer will be equal to 5x and not equal to 5x square. So, this is the error. So the correct statement is 3x plus 2x will be equal to 5x. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Therefore, the answer is 3x plus 2x equal to 5x is the correct statement of the sixth problem. Now look into the seventh problem. 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 7. Let us check whether this is correct statement or it is having the error. So 2x whole square is 2x square is given, but it is error. 2x whole square means 2x whole square. So 2x whole square is 2x into 2x. Therefore, 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into x, it will be x square. Therefore, 2x whole square is equal to 4x square, not 2x square. Then, we have the next term, 4 into 2x, 4 2s are 8x. That is correct. The plus 7 is correct. But 2x whole square should be 4x square. So, this mathematical statement is having error. So, we have to correct that statement. So, the correct statement is 2x whole square is equal to 4x square. 4x square plus 4 2s are 8x. So, 4 into 2x it will be 8x plus 7. This is the correct mathematical statement. So, 2x square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 will be equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 7 is the correct statement of 7th problem. Consider the 8th problem in which we have 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Now let us check whether this is correct or having the error in the mathematical statement. So look into the LHS of the equation, children. LHS is left hand side of the equation, that is 3x plus 2 whole square. Now in the previous videos we have studied some of the identities that can be used to perform the factorization. So we can apply the identity in this particular mathematical statement. See, this 3x plus 2 whole square is of the form a plus b whole square. So, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and where a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2. Now, let us substitute the values in this identity a square, since we know a is 3x whole square plus b square. The value of b is 2, so 2 square plus 2 into the value of a is 3x and the value of b is 2. So, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now when you further simplify, 3x whole square. So 3x whole square means 3x into 3x. 3 3s are 9. X into x, it is x square. Therefore 3x whole square will be equal to 9x square. Therefore, while substituting, 3x whole square is equal to 9x square plus 2 square. 2 into 2, you will get the answer 4 plus 2 into 3. So, let us multiply the coefficients first. 2 into 3 into 2. So, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Then it contains x. Therefore, we can write it as a square plus 2ab, that is 12x plus 4. Just we have rearranged this identity as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so if we rearrange also, the values do not change. Therefore, 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is the correct mathematical statement to 3x plus 2 whole square, and 3x square plus 6x plus 4 is the error. The correct mathematical statement for 3x plus 2 whole square is 9x square plus 12x plus 4. We got correct mathematical statement by using the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, this is the identity used and the correct statement will be this one. So, this is having the error. The given mathematical statement is having the error. The correct statement is 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 4. The identity used is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you can rearrange and you can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square also. The 2 identity also holds good, correct. So these are the answers, children, for the exercise 6.4, last exercise. Thank you.